ClearCryptos is up 55% on the 24 hours, 9 cents currently, getting close to that 10-cent mark. Check this out, $86 million in the market cap. The liquidity is growing, almost $700,000 in liquidity. And according to CoinGecko, you see the 24-hour chart, it continues to go up and up and up. Now, ClearCryptos is now at 22,000 followers. So this Twitter page is growing every single day, and you see all this content being on this page as well. Now, ClearCryptos also have a swap that you can go ahead and buy ClearCryptos or any other asset of its choice, like Shiba, Ethereum, or anything like that. When I type in Shiba, I can select it, and then I can swap my USDT for Shiba or Ethereum, or actually USDC for Shiba or even ClearCryptos as a whole. And all I have to do is connect my wallet just like this, MetaMask, Coinbase, or Wallet Connect. And from there, I can go ahead and swap one token for another token. And let's talk more about ClearCryptos right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Almost 10 cents, ladies and gentlemen. It should hit this week, and this is just the beginning. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, the thing about what ClearCryptos is, they're going to be on Bitmart coming up very soon this week, with deposit features starting, trade features starting, and the withdrawal features as well, all this week as well. Now, ClearCryptos is going to be on Bitmart, but check out what Bitmart's doing. They're the top 27 cryptocurrency exchange with this. Let me go ahead and click on this, and I'll show you more about this. Look at the volume level and look at all the top actual cryptocurrencies that's on the Bitmart exchange here. It is a top exchange, so this is really good news for ClearCryptos as a whole and the holders in the future. Now, when you look at the circuit audit, it actually looks good as well. Look at the score here. It's 80 out of 100. And if you go down and look at some of the information here, 5 findings, 0 resolve, 3 acknowledged, 0 partial, and 2 resolved. So they're actually moving forward with this process as well, and already got its Circuit KYC badge and the Circuit Skynet badge as well. That is really cool. So when I go hover over just a little bit of it, it actually tells you exactly what this information is all about. And this shows this is very transparent and very secure. When I get the Circuit Skynet, that's really good as well, because not all projects get that actually badge and go through this entire process. And this is all the Circuit Skynets that went through the process. Things like Polygon, projects like Polygon, Shiba Inu, 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿, ClearCryptos would join this list of really good projects that are going through this type of process here. Now, ClearCryptos is also all around the web. You get the website, YouTube, CoinMarketCap. So when I go on the YouTube page, I'm really proud of this because you have a lot of content being illustrated on this page, including myself, that getting content on everyday basis in terms of getting you that education that this space vastly needs. So all you got to do is, and I'll have the link in the description, you can subscribe to the channel, and then you can go ahead and watch videos based off all kinds of content, things with ClearCrypto and other assets, and even teaching you how to do things as well. So this is one of my videos right there. There's a video on with Zach and Austin, and more videos from other content creators. You can see them right over here. But ClearCryptos, in my opinion, it should hit the 10-cent mark this week. So stay tuned. If you're interested in it, not financial advice, but something you want to do, check it out. Click on the link below. Let's go. ClearCryptos, very good for this space in terms of transparency, know, like, and trust. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, this is really good. To me, they're moving in the right direction, especially getting on Bitmart, their first exchange. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.